My name is Janice McKinley, and I have been with Covenant Health. This is my 35th year. I work with all the chief nursing officers in our 10 hospitals to really elevate nursing practice within Covenant Health. Covenant Health employs more nurses than any other system in this region. It's an exciting thing that you can start your career in Covenant Health and you can be elevated into many different roles.
Covenant Health has really helped enable me to be the kind of nurse that I've always wanted to be because our goals line up. I'm Hannah. I've been a nurse with Covenant Health for a little over a year. I work on a med-surg floor. I've known since the age of around 5 that I wanted to be a nurse with the Covenant Health system.
I absolutely would recommend Covenant Health to anyone who was pursuing either a new career in nursing or advancing their career. The opportunities are tremendous. I actually started working at Park West Medical Center as a CNA on an oncology unit, and through that experience realized that I'd want to continue working and taking care of patients.
I think there is a pride that you carry on your shoulders from being a Covenant nurse. I tell people I work at Covenant Health and they go, "Oh, I had care in one of your hospitals."
I've seen people laugh, I've seen people cry, I've been able to hold people's hands as they pass on. And that's something I'm just extremely passionate about because I know here at Covenant that I'm able to use my skills, my knowledge, my education to help these patients and help them have a good day or help them through sad times and also help the families.
One of the things that excites me about coming to work every day is the opportunity to provide care for patients. And the satisfaction, personal satisfaction that I get out of that is amazing. But what's even greater is looking at the patient and seeing the change that occurs in either the patient's pain level or just the potential for their future recovery. Those are all things that I get so much joy and satisfaction out of.
Well, nurses support the Covenant Health Pledge in the most important way of putting the patient first. It is a way that you can feel it. You understand that the nurse that's taking care of your mom or dad has a sincerity that really knows that they're an individual, that they're a person.
One of the things that I'm most excited to share is the opportunity now in the cardiac cath lab being able to be part of a team that provides exceptional care using an amazing amount of technology to provide the care we need for our patients. We often say we want to be the employer of choice, and that is carried throughout the system. To reach those goals, some of the things that we have developed are an extremely competitive salary package, as well as the opportunity for continuing education, as well as the 401k. And my personal favorite is the vacation package, and so that gives you an opportunity to both work hard, but then to have time off so that you can spend with your family.
We celebrate excellence. We support certification as a skill set. Every year, if a nurse is certified in their specialty, they get a bonus for that. We also support nurses to go back to get their BSN, to get their master's degrees, and to really continue to grow in their field.
Covenant Health helped me with my tuition reimbursement when I pursued my licensed practical nurse program here. As I was completing that, they provided more assistance as I was pursuing an associate's in nursing degree.
One of the challenges coming out of school as a new nurse is the transition between student to practice. And so Covenant Health has established a nurse residency program, which is a year-long program where we have support for those new nurses so that their transition to practice is smooth and they understand what it's like to be a Covenant nurse.
I think the nurse residency program really helps equip these new nurses perfectly to start their careers at Covenant Health.
The opportunity to work in just about any specialty is there if you're willing to commit the time and the energy to grow in your knowledge. And at Covenant Health, you will have those opportunities.
At the end of the day, the patient's number one. And so it's awesome to work for a company that strives for that and is pushing for that. So I know that I'm working for a company that's here for the patients as well. Well, I'd say for any nurse looking for a place to work that values you at the end of the day and your expertise, offers advancements as well as focuses on patient-centered care, I'd definitely say Covenant Health is the place for you.
We're a family of people who take care of other people.
My name is Tim Hall, and I'm proud to be a Covenant Health nurse.
My name's Hannah Schubert, and I'm very proud to be a Covenant Health nurse.
So if you're looking to join an elite team of nurses, go to covenantcareers.com. We'll be looking for you.